Hi guys, welcome back to Nini's Kitchen. Today I am here with a new video where I will be unboxing my new Philips air fryer. Which is basically like a microwave, but instead of making your food soft, it will make it crispier and it will also cook it on the inside. So it's basically frying in a microwave. So this air fryer weighs about 0.8 kgs and can hold up to 4.1 liters. I got mine in black. I don't think you can get it in any other color. With this air fryer, you can make great tasting fries with up to 90% less fat. So using this air fryer will make your food even more healthy, and you don't really need oil for it. So it's great for weight loss. So in the box comes instructions and the air fryer itself. It is packed properly because it's a bit delicate and you need to protect it. So the air fryer itself does look a bit heavy, but trust me, it's not really. So here's me taking out the sleeve. I got mine in black and it's like a very nice glossy shiny black. It has a timer and you can set a temperature. It came with strong tape holding it closed, and you can just open it by pulling it, and there's the thingy, I don't know what you call it. So you can set a timer and you can also set a temperature. Most air fryers need to be preheated, but this one doesn't really need. It comes with a lot of instructions, but once you get the hang of it, it's really easy to use. It also comes with a few recipes. It even has an app. You can make chips, you can bake a cake, you can do many things with it. With this air fryer, you can cook, you can fry, you can grill, you can bake, and you can roast. So I will be showing you how I made. It's my first time using it, so I decided to make French fries. So I cut them, my French fries thinly, and now I'm washing them. It's great washing your potatoes before frying because it takes out all the excess starch and makes it more crispy. That's me draining the water. Once you're done draining out the water, you can lay it on a paper towel or a cloth so you can dry the potatoes. Now I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of oil. You don't really need much oil, and a half a teaspoon of salt, a bit of black pepper. You can add your own spice if you want. I'm just adding salt and pepper. Now you can give it a mix or a shake to make the oil and the spices spread evenly. So you can set the timer now so you can preheat it. And there's the temperature. I set mine on about 180. On top it shows how much you can how long you can leave certain items, certain food for. So you can just add the fries in and it cooks itself. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video, and my chips are ready and they're really crispy. Thanks for watching. Bye.